Today I'm going to explain to you how to use the point key on the Quadra Chek optical comparator. Using the point key is quite simple. It takes the best fit point of all the points you enter. So if I press the point key, it's waiting for me to probe a point. So if I come over here and enter 4 times, I tell it I'm finished. It gives me the best fit position of that point. It takes the average of all those positions and gives me the best point. Well, it's all well and good, but you probably aren't going to use it for that function. The main function I use the point key, other than finding intersection points, is I'm going to use it to find a midpoint of a part. Now, how would I do that? So let's come over here. We're going to cancel that out. Yes. I'm going to come over and ask for the point key again. I'm going to line up my first part of my slot or my shaft into the first position. Now I'm going to go to the other side of my shaft. Since the button calculates the best fit of the 2 points, if I enter my second point right here and then tell it finished, it'll actually enter the midpoint between those 2 positions. And if I view it, there's point 1, point 2, and the midpoint, the new point 1. So if I zeroed out my y-axis, okay, now if I go back to the machine, if I rotate up here, you'll see as I go up to 0, and there we go right there, the machine is set at the center of that shaft. Okay? If I wanted to make 2 positions and skew to it, I would come over to my other side. I want to make it my reference edge, so I'll do the same thing on this side. Enter 1 point. Enter my second point. Tell it finished. And now when I finish it, it's going to calculate the midpoint, and it should be right on 0 because that's what I told the y0 to be on point 1. So if point 1 is 0, point 2 is within 1/10 of being on 0 as well. Now, since I have 2 points in the memory, I can create a skew line with those 2 points. How would I do that? I press the skew key, and again we use the recall. So it says probe skew, it's looking for points. We're going to recall 1, and recall 2. We have the both points. We're constructing a skew. Both points are checked off. I tell it I'm finished, and it creates a skew line down the center of that shaft. So now if I move my axis, it should be 2, 3, 1, 4 all the way along that edge, and you'll see it doesn't move as I don't deviate from the line, so we know we're skewed. And if we go back up to my center, anywhere in that center I'm now 0. So that's how you use the point key and also calculate an axis center with the skew